All right, so let's look at the bigger funding process. After they've completed the initial Bank Breezy intake form, they're then either sent to our instant funder or our bigger funder. Now, these are the ones who are sent to our bigger funding. This is a generic overview of our bigger funding where we can get them up to $2 million based on their current monthly revenue. All right. We fund generally from $10,000 to $2 million. Approximate approval amount is as low as 1/2 of their current monthly revenue to as high as 2 times their monthly revenue. And we'll talk about what makes that change. Example, if they're doing $50,000 a month in sales, maybe they'll get an offer for $25,000 all the way up to $100,000. Okay. Of course, it could be lower if they already have an advance or they've got a low average daily balance and they can't really afford our rule of thumb funding, or they have negative balance days. Okay. Frequency of deposits helps. The more deposits they have, the better. That means if they don't have a lot of deposits, it hurts, right? The number of NSS hurts. If they have a bunch of negative days where they're below zero a lot, that hurts and can cause a decline, actually, even if they've got great sales. And their average daily balance can help or hurt. The higher the average daily balance, the more they can usually afford in a daily or weekly payment. So those things help. And the payment history with our funding can help them earn more and get add-on funds as time goes. So those are just some rules of thumb. Minimum qualifications. Again, they got to be in business at least 4 months at the minimum. Most of our providers want 1 year or 2 years, but we do have some as low as 4 months. They got to be doing at least $15,000 per month in sales at the lowest for the last 3 months. They got to have a business checking account. The owner's FICO score has to be a minimum of 500. It's better if it's 685 or higher, but as low as 500. And the last filed business taxes may be requested if they're getting more than $150,000. Not always, but sometimes that's asked for. What are the terms? Well, the terms are generally 4 to 24 months. These are all short term. Again, if someone's eligible for a bank loan with a 5-year or 10-year business loan, they should get one there. We're serving the 90% who aren't eligible for that or don't want to put up collateral like their home or don't want to wait for approval. So these terms are not the same as a business bank loan. We're serving the unbankable or the people who are not wanting to be at the bank. Cost of capital is 1.15 to 1.5 times what they get. What does that mean? Let's say they got 20,000. Maybe they have to repay back 27,000. That would be a 1.35. So you take the advance amount times 1.15. That's the minimum they'll have to pay, all the way up to 1.5 times.
You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief, funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today.